From Chief Meteorologist John Robison.
Overall, a pleasant evening over the South Plains after another one of those days where we got close to the century mark, didn't quite make it. But one thing we've had in Lubbock tonight, just checked it out, is a little bit of rain officially out at the airport. So let's check that first alert, SuperDoppler HD3. Now the rainfall amounts are very, very light, but at least there's a little bit indicated there on radar and officially out at the airport. So we'll show you the pattern. We initially had a few storms along the Texas-New Mexico border. Most of those were gone by 5 o'clock, but over the last few hours, spotty showers, very isolated, maybe an occasional lightning strike, mainly along the Caprock, edging from Crosby County, also near Lubbock and Lynn County. And you'll see a little bit of a western movement there. And there's still a few showers, by the way, along the interstate around Santa Rosa and northeast New Mexico. But again, back to the South Plains, this activity is diminishing quite rapidly, getting a little bit difficult to see. You can see it right there along the interstate, northern part of the city, a couple of light showers, maybe still producing a little bit of rain around Wilson area, maybe close to Post or Southland. And a quick zoom in shows what's left of the rain there, maybe a few sprinkles, and again, just a few sprinkles out at the airport. But it is drifting to the west, so at least those clouds have produced a little bit tonight around the South Plains. Hopefully there's a better chance as we get into maybe tomorrow afternoon, especially Friday and Saturday, showing a little more encouragement for maybe some late afternoon or evening showers. Let's check our temperatures tonight at NewsChannel 11, and actually at the airport we're showing 82 degrees, and there's your rain indications out there. We've got a east wind, looks like a northeast wind really, with that little band of showers gusted up to 21, averaging 13 right now. Humidity 53%, and because of the rain, the dew point has jumped up about 10 degrees from the 50s into the low 60s. Your high today in Lubbock, 98 degrees, stay below the century mark, stay below our record fortunately. There's your average low. Was a nice morning, a little warmer than normal, 72 degrees, and again there's the record on the day in 1931. Tonight's temperatures range from a rain-cool 78 in Clovis. We're at 82 in the airport, getting a little bit of a break with the clouds there. And you can still see it's still quite hot in Fort Worth, Abilene in the 80s, Dallas, Fort Worth. Over to Midland has generally been anywhere from 95 to 100 or higher today. Same thing again tomorrow. Upper level high pressure is dominant. We'll see highs in the upper 90s. Our pattern doesn't change a lot on Friday. It shows some indication maybe over the weekend of changing, more monsoon rain in New Mexico and Colorado. Very spotty activity, if any at all, for us. Tomorrow afternoon, scattered showers, maybe Lubbock this time, back into southeast New Mexico. It looks like Friday, a similar pattern, widely scattered showers. Best chance will be early afternoon, diminishing during the early evening hours if they can hold together. For morning lows, we got nice 60s, and then we've got low 70s again in Lubbock. Then you've got warmer temperatures to the east. The hottest temperatures for tomorrow will be just like today and yesterday. Same story. It's going to be eastern areas, Caprock towards Dallas, Fort Worth, upper 90s in Lubbock, mid 90s to our west. A 7-day forecast. I'm going to keep it at about 98 degrees tomorrow, maybe a little closer to the century mark on Friday and Saturday, even with a chance of isolated showers. Then hopefully, Karen and Abner, the trend will be for temperatures to edge back maybe to the mid 90s, at least by early next week.
All right. Thank you, John.